Hi, I'm Don Marsh, and for today we're going to be doing the Man of War cocktail here on the Proper Pour. Hi, I'm Don Marsh, and welcome to the Proper Pour. We're doing the Man of War cocktail today. This is named after a famous racehorse from 1919 to 1920, where he won 20 out of 21 races. So this will be a heavier bourbon cocktail. We're going to use bourbon, an orange liqueur, this is out of France, and a nice sweet vermouth. It's going to have a nice little lemon expression over the top, garnished with some maraschino cherries and lemon. First, we'll start off with the bourbon. We're going to do 2 ounces. You know, 1 ounce of your orange liqueur. And a 1/2 ounce of your sweet vermouth. And a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Grab your stemware. Grab your ice. Again, with the density of ice, stirring about 40-45 times. Got your hawthorn strainer. Expression, take the lemon, and you always want to have the peel side out, squeeze in, get the oils into the cocktail, and rim it up. And that's your Man of War. So with the Man of War, this is for anybody that likes the big boozy cocktails. Again, this is not your softer vodka kind of side of things. So the bourbon, vanilla really stands out. With the orange liqueur, it's very prominent. I love what the sweet vermouth does. It's almost like a little play on a Manhattan. Instead of using rye, using a bourbon. And the orange liqueur kind of lifts it into a different stratosphere because you are adding an orange liqueur now. These are both sitting at 40% each, and this, typically your vermouths are in high teens, low 20s in the percentage-wise. Truly hope you enjoyed the Man of War cocktail. Join us in future episodes. We'll be doing more cocktails and mixes as well here on the Proper Pour.